Are you worried about accidental damage to your expensive TV screen? Frustrated with yellowing, low quality screen guards that ruin your viewing experience? What if we told you there's a solution that not only protects your TV but also enhances its video quality? Stay tuned because in this video we are unveiling Rhino TV Guard, a premium laser cut screen guard designed to keep your TV safe and your visuals crystal clear. Unboxing instructions. Before we dive into the details, a quick note for you. When unboxing your Rhino TV Guard, please refrain from using sharp objects to open the packaging. This will ensure your product arrives in perfect condition and remains undamaged from the start. Inside the box, you will find screen guard, microfiber cloth, crystal boots, count varies based on your TV size, Velcro strap, warranty card, installation guide. Crystal boots play a crucial role in providing ventilation and ensuring the flexibility of the screen guard in case of accidental impact. Fix the crystal boots on the TV frames or bezels. Secure the screen guard properly, ensuring there is enough space for airflow. Use the Velcro strap. With proper installation, your Rhino TV Guard not only protects but also maintains your TV's cooling efficiency for long-term durability. Unmatched quality and strength. Rhino TV Guard is available in two variants. 4 mm thickness for TVs up to 43 inches, ideal for frameless or baseless models. 5 mm thickness recommended for larger screens for extra sturdiness. Superior material and clarity. Unlike cheap alternatives that turn yellow over time, Rhino TV Guard is made from A+ virgin material, offering long-lasting transparency. Advanced video noise filter ensures you experience true high-definition visuals without eye strain. Without it, you aren't experiencing the full potential of your TV. Patented ventilation design for protection and durability. Rhino TV Guard stands apart from fake brands with its unique 4-sided ventilation system. Ensures proper airflow with a 5.6 mm gap between the screen and the guard. Prevents heat buildup and potential damage to your polarized film. Unlike inferior brands that trap heat inside, reducing the lifespan of your TV. Custom fit for every TV model. Each Rhino TV Guard is custom made to fit your TV perfectly. Once you place your order, our team will contact you to confirm your exact TV model number, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Unlike generic protectors, Rhino TV Guard is precision crafted for your specific TV. Unmatched warranty and trust. We stand by our quality. While our material is built to last, we provide a 5-year warranty against fading. To claim your warranty, you must provide a continuous unedited video of your unboxing process. Every Rhino TV Guard comes with an official warranty card, duly signed and sealed inside the box. Final thoughts. Order yours today. Your TV deserves the best protection. Don't settle for low quality guards that damage your screen over time. Upgrade to Rhino TV Guard today and experience unparalleled protection and enhanced video quality. Order now. Our team is ready to customize the perfect fit for your TV. Rhino TV Guard. Protect, enhance, experience.